all yours. An elephant. It sounded like an elephant, right? But I have no idea what it was. I have no idea. There are some children, but majority of people in front of me, they are adults. And they're very cool, if I have to be honest. Hold on, I'm just trying to open the other thing here. What is it? What is it? Why isn't it showing me? Oh God. Oh God, wait. Hi everyone! They let me out again, they did. Okay, but I was just trying to open the other chat here so that I know that I'm not missing out on anything. Hello! Let me also adjust my scarf and everything. How are you guys doing? That was so much chaos to start a stream. It's probably an iPhone issue thingy that's happening because it's been happening for like a couple of weeks now. But like it just like randomly switches, and restarting the phone fixed the issue. So that's why I'm thinking it must be like a phone thing, right? Otherwise it doesn't make sense. But thank you to Andrea, you guys. He speaks Italian. We can say grazie Andrea for all the help. Le AirPods, ma non erano collegate in teoria. Vabbè, okay. Andrea says that maybe like it's connecting in a weird way to the AirPods. Do you hear the sound? Please tell me that you do hear the sound, because that's so funny. Hello from Glasgow. Hello from Milan, Italy, everybody. So we have a fun, exciting stream ahead of us today because it's Saturday. It's a nice, it's a nice sunny day. It's Carnival. And the Winter Olympics are still on, so we have a bunch of stuff to do. And you guys, we have some quests. So we haven't done this since last summer, but the whole idea is, you can see that there are some quests on screen, right? So I can't end stream, like unless an emergency happens, I can't end stream until I finish the quest. We only have 3 because it wouldn't let me add more. I had like at least one more in mind, but like it wasn't letting me add it. So the ones that we do have, you can see them. We have, first of all, eat a chiacchiera. I'll explain in a second what it is. Throw confetti because it's Carnival, and get a Winter Olympics souvenir. These are quite basic, I want to say, but I am not allowed to end stream before we do them, okay? First of all, what is a chiacchiera? Chiacchiera is a specific carnival dish that we have here. Not dish, like it's a dessert. It's a treat, we can say, and it's like fried pastries with powdered sugar. I think that they will be easy to find, but never say never until we actually find them. Hi Lore, hi everyone. Sorry if I didn't say hi to everyone earlier, but I am here now. You got my full attention. Sound like it's all kicking off out here. Yeah, but no, I randomly started stream here because, let me tell you, by the way, like while we are in the city center, I want to like try to visit some of the places that we didn't visit last time that we went IRL in Milan for the Olympics, including like Korea House and a bunch of other places. Oh, Andrea, grazie. Sì. Sì, tutto giusto. So we will be walking around city, and little spoiler, this is not guaranteed, but we might have a cameo from another streamer at some point. It's someone that you know. But that's not, we will see during stream, there might be a cameo. Maybe yes, maybe not. Thank you, Tech Daddy. Today was the last competition, so like technically the Olympics have ended. But I mean, there's like still a lot of stuff around and all of that. Hello from Milano. Oh, hello from Milano, Bob Charles. Hello. So we will start going now, but I need to show you what's happening in front of me because there's all of these people in costumes. Tomorrow. Okay. There are all of these people in costumes, but on the rollerblades, not the ones that like you use on the ice, just like the normal wheels. So, why not on Discord? What do you mean, why not on Discord? Carolina's cameo? No, not Carolina's. I want to know what the hell is making that noise. What is that?